This creamy chocolate ice cream is made with only 4 ingredients: tahini, soy milk, dark chocolate and dates. There is no eggs, no dairy, no cream and no added sugar. It only takes 3 minutes to prepare and it's absolutely divine. I start by warming the soy milk in the microwave. I want it very hot because I'm going to melt the dark chocolate in the milk. I check that all the chocolate is well immersed in the milk and I wait 1 minute before stirring it with a spatula. I then add the tahini and the dates. Tahini is a sesame paste and is very used in Mediterranean cuisine. In this recipe, it plays a big role, both in terms of taste and texture. I choose dates to naturally sweeten the ice cream, but it is also a magical ingredient to stabilize ice cream without using additives. Once the mixture is very smooth, I pour it into the Ninja Creamy Pint without exceeding the line, and I freeze it for 24 hours. The next day, I lock the pint in the Ninja Creamy and I press the ice cream button. In 3 minutes, I get a very creamy, rich and really delicious ice cream. It has notes of chocolate halvah. I hope this recipe inspired you. Tell me in a comment if you are familiar with sesame paste in desserts. I'd love to know and have your feedback. See you soon!